Greetings, wonderful souls. It's Christina from Seed Yoga and Flower Massage, and today we're diving into the magical world of Festive Flair, aromas and sounds of the season. Get ready to infuse your space with the essence of joy and tranquility. So first up is Essential Oils Wonderland, and I want to speak just very briefly like I did the other day when I talked about essential oils. It's not right for everybody's skin to apply to the body necessarily. Some people it works for, some it doesn't, but do use caution with all essential oils, and most definitely use a carrier oil if you are choosing to apply it to your skin. For this today, I'm speaking mainly of diffusing these aromas into the air. So here's a few quick blends that I love. You can get real simple with it. You can get as simple as orange and clove. That's just two, kind of balance citrus and spice. So you're in control of the ratio of how much citrus and how much spice you like, so you get to play around with that. And an option with that orange and clove, you could keep it simple, just like that, or you could add to that a frankincense and you could do ginger. I don't have ginger today, I have nutmeg. So I'm going a little different on the spice route. So that's nutmeg, frankincense, orange, and clove. That's nice. And then the second, or I guess third option. The first was the orange and clove by itself, and then to that we added the frankincense and ginger. This one's a little cooler note. This one's got a splash of peppermint. Add a little pine. So peppermint, pine, and cedar wood in this next blend. Reminds me of a walk in the forest. Wow. I wish you could smell that. It's delicious. So again, that's cedar wood, pine, and peppermint. So a couple tips for your essential oil wonderland is, remember, you could start out with equal parts, but then you can adjust as you see necessary or to your liking. And your diffuser placement, when you put your oils into your diffuser with a little bit of water usually, you're going to position your diffuser in a central location so that the aroma is evenly distributed throughout your space. Also, you can incorporate this into your daily rituals, from your morning meditation to your evening wind down. You can add those delicious and seasonal aromas to add a little spice to your day. Now, let's add a delightful sound element to our session today with a jingle bell sound bath. So if it feels right, just get your body a little more comfortable and grounded. Sit in a cozy position. Sit up tall. Maybe allow your eyes to close. And you can imagine the sound of jingle bells just dancing in the air. Bring some joy and serenity to your meditation. So as your eyes are closed, if you have jingle bells at home, you can grab your jingle bells, big or small, it doesn't matter. It's actually kind of nice. I like it when they're mixed. They all have a little bit different sound. So grab your jingle bells and let's create a mini sound bath together. So with your jingle bells, gently ring them close to your ears. Allow those joyful, soothing sounds to resonate within yourself. So Allow your eyes to stay closed and let the gentle chimes transform you and transport you to a space of tranquility and celebration. So some tips for your jingle bell sound bath. You can gently shake the jingle bells near your ears for a very subtle, soothing sound, softly. You can use the jingle bells to mark the beginning of your day along with a nice seasonal aroma. And you can end your day with a little jingle bell sound bath for a touch of festive flair. It's fun to jingle bells. I like it. So consider involving your loved ones in this mini sound bath. Everybody could have a different bell or make their own creations. I made a little, I guess this could be a necklace or a bracelet. So you can wear it around and shake your body, move yourself, and listen to the fun and joyful sounds of the jingle bells. And set that down for a moment. I get really excited when I put my hands on sound instruments, most especially the jingle bells today. I'm having a moment. Let's breathe. And before we conclude, I want to invite you to mark your calendars for a special event. You can join us here at Seed Yoga on December 27th after the holiday fun for a full moon sound immersion. This is a live event here in the studio at Seed Yoga from 6 to 7:30 p.m. And this event promises to elevate your senses and bring a harmonious close to the year. I'll drop a link in the comments for you to register for this full moon experience today. And as we conclude our festive Flair session, take a moment, savor the aroma, the sounds that surround you. The holiday season is a time for joy, and through these simple practices, we invite that joy into our hearts and into our homes. Thank you for joining us on this sensory journey today. If you enjoyed these festive tips, stay tuned for more wellness inspiration. Until next time, may your space be filled with the essence of the season.